Well, I was here in Shubo factory, which is, I tell you that I'm coming to see the product. So look at it's a small but it's a very nice, very fantastic. It has a very good clothes. Look at the machines and everything is nice. And this is the manager Shubo. He's my friend also, is through into business. Obviously, he's a nice person, and look at the cloth now he's making for sending to Saudi Arabia. So we're glad to come in here to start with business with him. Inshallah, we try our best to come in this place, usually to talk about the business. Inshallah, still I'm trying to come in. Usually, me and some of our customer from Nigeria. Also, I have some people which is reliable people which is in my client in Nigeria. I also took a sample like 60, 20 for t-shirt, 20 for shirt, 20 for the kids. I also do this, inshallah, in my future plan when I go back to my home. When I went to my home, inshallah, I try my best to do this business. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I really thank you for everything. Assalamu alaikum.